Hey guys, welcome back. It's time for another recipe. As a nod to the cake I did last night, the Southern Do Nothing cake, we're going to be doing lazy lasagna. You see where I'm going with this? I don't want to do a lot of work. Lazy lasagna. This lazy lasagna is not short on flavor. It is loaded with cheesy goodness that your whole family will love. This recipe comes from a 1997 church cookbook. You know how those church ladies, they put in some good recipes. I know you're going to like this one, and when you do, you hit that like button. If you're already a subscriber, I want to thank you for your support. If you're not, hit that subscription button and hit notifications so you get all of our recipes as they post. Now, let's put this lazy lasagna together. To start this lazy lasagna, we're going to add our egg noodles to a pot of boiling water. You'll only want to cook these to al dente, no yolk. Then we're going to drain our noodles and set them aside. Next, we're going to brown our ground beef. If you want, add a little bit of salt and pepper. If you're lazy, you don't want to, don't do it. I'm using my handy dandy meat masher, breaker upper. Our meat is ready for our lazy lasagna. I'm going to sit this over, remove this burner, and I'm going to bring back the bowl and we're going to put this one together. Now is a fine time to preheat your oven to 375 and grease. I have sprayed mine with some nonstick spray, your baking dish. So we're going to take our ground beef and we're going to put it in a mixing bowl. Guys, if you used ground meat that had a lot of grease on it, you'll want to drain some of that off. It'll be good for you and your family to just get rid of some of that. This is lazy lasagna. So we'll be using a jarred sauce that we'll just pour right over this ground beef. Lazy meat sauce. We're going to now mix up our cheese. Now, our cheese for this one, in this lazy lasagna, you mix it right in with your noodles. So I know that that's something new and what I like about it. So you'll take your cottage cheese, your Parmesan cheese, and your mozzarella. And we're just going to mix this in with our noodles. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to my cheese and noodle mixture. You can do this if you would like. You can add what you want to it, or you don't have to add anything. Now we'll start layering this lazy lasagna. You'll start with a little bit of your sauce on the bottom. We'll follow that with a little bit of the cheese and noodle mixture. Top it with a little bit more of your mozzarella cheese. You can put as much or as little as you like. This mozzarella cheese will give this lazy lasagna a beautiful golden brown on the top. Look at that lazy lasagna. This is going to be one beautiful dish that my family will think that I slaved all afternoon on. They won't know that I was tired as dirt when I got in from work. I'm going to cover this with foil. We'll put this in that oven that's preheated at 375 for about 20 minutes. Then we will uncover it for the last 10 minutes so we get that beautiful golden brown. I'll be cooking mine in my favorite appliance. This is the Breville Smart Pro Air Fryer, Baker, Dehydrator. It is my favorite appliance. So here it goes. Our lazy lasagna is out of the oven. Look at that. We're going to let it sit here and cool for a hot second, and then we're going to serve this up. This lazy lasagna has cooled, and guys, this is one gorgeous piece of lasagna. Who would have ever thunk it that egg noodles And as quick as it took us to put this together, it would turn out so beautiful. And it smells good. I can hardly wait to get my fork in it. And before anything goes out of this kitchen, the cook tastes it. Look at that. Cottage cheese there, the noodles, the ground beef, the tomato sauce. That is so good. No one would know that this was lazy lasagna but you. I hope that you have enjoyed this recipe. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit those notifications. Guys, check out also here at the bottom at the link, you will see that there's a recipe for our nothing cake that goes right along with the lazy lasagna. It's what's for dinner. Until next time, you guys take care and God bless.